ராஜீவ் காந்தி கொலை வழக்கில் தண்டனை பெற்று சிறையில் இருக்கும் பேரறிவாளன் உள்ளிட்ட 7 பேர் விடுதலை செய்வது தொடர்பாக மத்திய அரசின் ஆலோசனையை கேட்டு தமிழக அரசு கடிதம் எழுதியுள்ளது. ராஜீவ் வழக்கில் தண்டனை பெற்றவர்களை விடுவிப்பது தொடர்பாக உச்சநீதிமன்றத்தில் நடைபெற்ற வழக்கு விசாரணையின் போது தமிழக அரசு சார்பில் ஆஜரான மூத்த வழக்கறிஞர் ராகேஷ் திவேதி தமிழக அரசின் கடிதம் பற்றி என்ன கருத்தை முன்வைத்தார், இந்த கடிதம் என்ன மாதிரியான தாக்கத்தை ஏற்படுத்தும் என்பது பற்றி அவருடன் நமது டெல்லி செய்தியாளர் ஸ்டீஃபன் நடத்திய கலந்துரையாடலை இப்போது பார்க்கலாம்.
So now the Tamil Nadu government has written a letter to the center seeking for an opinion to release Rajiv convicts, even when Supreme Court clarified 435 rule. Now the Tamil Nadu government letter, what impact that would create?
Well, Supreme Court has only clarified 435 to this extent that consultation means concurrence. So earlier the view was that the state merely needs to get the opinion of the central government and then apply its mind to it, but it could take a different view. After the Constitution Bench judgment, the position is that the state can act upon its proposal and release the prisoners only when the central government gives its concurrence. So therefore, the state government was entitled to and has rightly written a letter to the central government seeking its concurrence.
So did central government ever come across such circumstances earlier under 435 rule and released any convicts?
No, this question actually would not arise because for the first time the Supreme Court has clarified in the Constitution Bench judgment that consultation means concurrence. So there was no issue of concurrence earlier. It is only after the Constitution Bench judgment that the issue of concurrence arises. Therefore, this will be the first case where the central government will be applying its mind to the case and would be taking a decision whether it should grant concurrence or not.
So now the Tamil Nadu is going to face the assembly election in the month of May. At this point of time, the state government has written a letter to the center. Now, is there any possible or is there a way that the central government would decide now and tell whether they can release the Rajiv convicts or not?
There is no obstacle on account of the elections which are forthcoming. The central government, if it so wants, it can proceed to consider and take a decision in the matter. So there is no obstacle constitutionally or legally in the central government's taking a decision to release, but it is up to the central government.